What's up, y'all? It's Kayla, and today I'm going to be giving y'all an unboxing video on this Wigdealer hair. So I ordered 20-inch. Let me make sure I gotta get it right. Make sure I get it right. Hold on. I ordered a 20-inch. I think it's Brazilian curly. And it's a closure. I ordered a frontal like 2 weeks before today, and it was amazing. I loved it, so I bought this second wig. And I didn't get to do an unboxing video because I was very impatient. I wanted to just put it in my head like ASAP, so I put it in my head, y'all. But it was bomb. It was fire. But we're gonna see what this looked like. So yes, I got a 5x5 HD lace closure wig and Brazilian curly. I'm gonna put it up there, right there. Excuse my little dumb faces. But so that's what I got, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I got in my previous order, because in my previous order I purchased a starter kit. That's what it's called. Okay, body wave starter lace frontal. Wow. I got the Wig Junkie starter kit, and that was $35. So first I'm gonna show y'all what I got in the Junkie kit. It came, the other shipment came like this. And I watched reviews on Wigdealer's hair, and some other people had like a box, and I didn't get a box, y'all. I just got this. And my hair was in a bag like this. I saw some other people had a box, and they had this inside of their box, but I didn't get a box. I just got the bag. This is what the Junkie, yeah, I can't talk today for some reason. The Wig Junkie starter kit. This is what it looked like. This is what it looked like. And so inside it comes with wig cap. Some of this stuff gonna be there and being used already, because I told y'all I did my hair 2 weeks ago. So Wig Junkie starter cap, and I was very upset because they gave me a dark cap, and I'm just like, who told y'all that was my skin color? Like, who told y'all I was gonna be dark skinned? But I don't know if this is it or not. It was a dark cap though. I don't think it's this. But they gave me a dark one, and I was mad. So inside of here, the next thing we had is some lace cutting scissors. It came in this package. Of course, I used it already, but this what they look like. And they got, is it gonna focus? They have like focus. Okay, it's not gonna focus, but it says Wigdealer on it, and that's what those look like. And then it came with a scarf to tie your edges down like that. That's what that looked like. It's real, you know, elasticy. It's real elasticy. Then it came with some clips. 2 clips. And they look like this. Then it came with this, this, I don't know what it's called. Then it came with the I haven't used this yet, because when I got my frontal put on, y'all, I got it done by somebody else, so I didn't do it, and they didn't use this. So, but I'm gonna use this when I put this wig on. So I'll try this out. But it's their melting spray with humidity resistance. So I guess nothing's gonna focus today. Probably because of the light. anyways, that's that. And then it also came with a brush, edge brush. So that's all that came in that little kit. And I just wanted that because at first I was gonna do my wig by myself, but I was like, nah, I want somebody else to do it. So the girl, she did my hair and it was bomb. It was nice. I'm gonna insert a clip right there. Now it's time for the wig. So this is the wig when you take it out the bag. That's what it looks like. And I got a 20 inch out. I didn't get a long wig. It's supposed to be 20 inches. Got this thing on it. This thing in there. And this is the closure. It's really big to me. But it look good, y'all. It look real good. Look at that. That's the lace. And it says it's supposed to come bleached and it is bleached. And it says it's supposed to come we can see that it's supposed to come plug. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not gonna read all that. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but I mean, it look good to me. It look like you could just throw that joint on, honestly. I wouldn't just throw it on. I would obviously pluck it and then put it on my head, because I won't put it on my head like this. But I'm probably do a video when I do it, y'all. I'll probably do a video when I do it. But this is it, y'all, and the hair feels good. It's real soft. It's giving what the other one gave, because the other one gave when it came. And you know, it has the elastic band on it, and you can take them off like that. And it also has the wig straps. That you can attach it to whatever tightness you desire. Whatever. It has clips. I don't think the other one had clips right here. This one has a clip right here. But I don't think my frontal had a clip right there. I think it just had one at the back. But I don't know. I think so. Anyways, it got a clip right there. And it got a clip at the back. And this what it looked like. So I'll give y'all a little rundown about how my other hair turned out. You know, how long, even though it hasn't been a long time since, excuse me, since I bought that other hair and wore it. But it was good, y'all. It was really, really good. I got a lot of compliments on my hair. And a lot of people was asking me where I got my hair from. And I just felt like Wigdealer should have sponsored me, because everybody wanted to know where I got my hair from. And everybody was trying to buy my hair. And a lot of people bought my hair. So, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, it was good, y'all. It was really, really good. And if you go check out my Instagram page, you will see it. You know. But anyways, it was really good. I don't remember it shedding a lot, but I do remember that it don't hold a curl. So if you, maybe I need to use some different products, or maybe I need to, you know, I don't know, maybe I did something wrong. But even when the person who did my hair and she put some curls in it, it didn't last. I did wash it and it washed pretty good. I saw some more other reviews saying that it tangled, like when they washed it, like at the base. When I washed mine, I was looking out for that. I was trying to make sure that it didn't do that, but it turned out good. I washed mine on a head. Don't laugh at me, y'all, but I washed my wig. Like, I pinned it on a foam head and like put the head in the sink Yeah, I'm weird, don't. But I put the head in the sink and I washed it like it was a person.
You weird, buddy. You're weird.
On the foam head, and it worked pretty good. And I was, you know, brushing it, and it didn't tangle. So I don't know if it was just the wig they had, or maybe it was something that they were doing, because mine didn't do that. So that's that. But after I washed it, it stayed pretty soft, and it had a really nice, like, I got a body wave. The other wig I had gotten, whatever. I feel like if my grandma see this, she gonna try to correct my grammar, and it is what it is. Let's be real. So the other one that I had gotten was a body wave starter wig, and body wave starter lace frontal wig, and it was fine. And the curl pattern, when I washed it, it was really like nice, really nice, like real body wavy. And even when I wore it a little curly, I mean, it's not like, it is body wavy enough for you to wear it curly, but I didn't wear it curly. Not yet. I didn't wear it curly. Actually, I did wear it curly in some of my little TikToks. If y'all go to my TikTok, y'all see my TikTok. That's when I was wearing it curly.
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear.
Anyways, it's cute. I recommend it. I ain't had no cons really. The lace did kind of rip a little easy, but maybe that's my fault. Maybe it ain't their fault. But in overall, I give it a like, I'm gonna say 9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10, because that 0.5 is like the not holding the curl and the fact that my lace ripped a little easy. And that when it comes, y'all, it's kind of over bleached. That's where that 0.5 come in at, because it's kind of over bleached just a little bit. Let me see if I can show y'all. See, like, y'all see that? How it's like over bleached a little bit, and the other one was like that too. But it's fixable, you know, if you got some spray, or if you got some, you know, you could use some eyebrow stuff and an eyebrow pencil and get that together, you know. But it's a little over bleached, and I'm just gonna say, actually I'm gonna do 9, because that's actually, you know, kind of a big deal. Because if you gonna bleach the lace, then why you gonna bleach it, over bleach it, you know what I'm saying? So they over bleached it. Yeah, but I mean, overall 9 out of 10, because everything is fixable. But that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you all got something out of this video, and I hope that it helps you fulfill your hair dreams and your hair goals, because it fulfilled mine. And I'm finna go fix this wig up right now. I'm gonna fix it up so I can put it on later. Bye, y'all.